Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Thursday, June 15th, 2023. Now, this is a Dayton Lasko, one of my all-time favorite ceiling fans. I've said that about probably 3 or 4 times now, but because I do have about 10 fans that I just adore. But this is definitely one of them. This is in the 56-inch configuration. I want to say it's actually technically a commercial ceiling fan, not an industrial. You'd see these in, gift shops, and actually, there's an auto body shop that had 3 of these when I was a kid. There was a gift shop that had 3. There was a clock store that worked on, restored antique clocks and whatnot. That had 2 of these. Years later, like 30 plus years later, I met one of the co-owners. There were 2 brothers, and when they changed shops, they each took one of the fans out and put it in their garage, and he had no interest in selling it whatsoever. I offered to pay handsomely for it because I'm trying to get some of my childhood fans that I actually remember, the exact fans that I remember seeing, but anyway, I'm always on the lookout for these. If you can find one new in the box, I will pay handsomely for it. If you find one, I'll still definitely buy or trade. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to start it off on speed 1. Yeah, the noise is not the fan. I actually have barn swallows living under the eaves of the garage, and so they've been chirping on and off throughout the evening. Kick it up to speed 2. And speed 3. And now for the spin down. Yeah, these were available in 56-inch as well as a 40-inch configuration, and they both had the little counter at the bottom. I'll show you that once the blades stop spinning. Well, actually, I don't know if the blades will stop spinning because I have my Encon spinning around right now. But anyway, yeah, and there's actually I'm sure it's the same OEM, but there was a very similar fan that had wood grain blades, 3 wood grain blades, and a slightly different set of canopies labeled Sanyo. I walked into a store I used to deliver to, a convenience store, had a number of those. And, still trying to remember where that was, and I'd love to find out sooner or later. Yeah, they were brown with the wood grain, either wood grain with brown blades or brown with wood grain blades. I don't remember, but they're rare as hen's teeth. And I've seen a video somewhere, or a picture, I think, of one, a Dayton Lasko just like this. I believe there were 2 of them. And one had 3 blades, one had 4 blades. I've never even heard of a regular Dayton Lasko, like with these canopies, etc. White with these canopies with 3 blades, but that's kind of a unicorn. But anyway, yeah, I think my Crompton Greaves is blowing the blades of this. But I'd like to bring the camera in just to show you guys I'm actually going to shut this. Well, actually, I'm just going to unplug the Dayton Lasko, turn those back on. But yeah, I'd like to show you guys the counter. And they have this pull cord here. So, anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.